I am fascinated by the story of Wright brothers and how aviation was invented. They dared to dream big, kept resilient to failures, and constantly worked on achieving their goals by creating a new technology which changed the world. So firstly, we have to have a clear vision. After comes how and the plan how to achieve it. Imagine our world if we could not fly, how it would look like. I am a world citizen. I love to travel, meet new people, and discover new cultures. These experiences enriches inner world, and aviation made the outer world much smaller and more accessible. So it was a natural path for me to join aviation industry. Since I work in commercial and international business development field, I travel quite a lot for my work. I am an MBA graduate, and I was always curious about companies' processes and strategic decisions. I have a great respect for the chairman of Aviation Solutions Group and the direction the group has taken. I have joined FL Technics more than 3 years ago, and during this time I saw new acquisitions happening every 2-3 months. So strong leadership and clear vision are the key factors to every company's success. And of course, naturally, I enjoy working in this kind of environment. Moreover, company offers great opportunities to work professionally, and quite quickly I have been promoted to head of sales position in line maintenance department. I have to admit, line maintenance operations is not an easy business, and I happened to work during challenging times. COVID hit aviation. There is so much uncertainty about airlines operations, employees strikes, lack of manpower, and many more external factors which directly influences our operations. And despite all of this, during recent years, we have hit a new record when it comes to attracting new clients, operational growth, and opening new line stations worldwide. And then, we are the largest independent line maintenance organization. And of course, the right team bringing their strengths, skills, and expertise is the crucial factor to every company's successful and sustainable growth, as well as the highest management support and belief in what we do. I see more and more women joining aviation industry, and I could conclude that this is a myth that aviation is just a masculine field. For example, my team is very well diversified. I have 50% of women, 50% of men, perfect ratio, and a good example for others. There are also many women in aviation who made great careers and could be a good example for others. Everyone can find their area of self-realization, and aviation will not stop growing. So more and more professionals are needed. If I would be more creative, my dream job would be private jets interior design. So who knows what future might bring. Also, there are so many innovations coming to aviation as electric aircrafts, which will disrupt the market. Also, a lot of sustainability projects related to 2050 vision. So there are so many interesting fields and areas to be involved in. So my advice for women: if you have a passion for traveling, aviation, international business, don't have doubts. Aviation is very dynamic, fast-growing, and a lot of potential having industry, which welcomes creative minds and people who are dedicated for what they do.